Let's explore the animal world together. The plants are very special. In this video, we're going to learn about 3 interesting animals. Watch and find out. Watch. What are the characteristics that make them special?
Dog.
Dogs are animals that are loyal and close to humans, usually kept as a pet or to keep a home. They have 4 legs, flexible body and very sensitive sense of smell. Dogs' coat varies in color and length, depending on the species, from short silky to long ruffled. Dogs with hearing ears, bright eyes and sharp teeth. They help them hunt and defend their territory. The dog's personality is also very rich. They're a gentle, friendly species, but there are also species that are brave and protect their owners. It's smart and easy to train. Dogs are not just best friends, it's also a great assistant in many jobs, like guided rescue or herding.
Horse.
The horse is an animal in the IQD family, famous for its strong beauty and agility. They have tall, muscular bodies, for long and strong legs, help them move with speed and endurance. The horse's fur is usually smooth, in as many colors as black, white or gray-brown. Long mane and ponytail softly creates a characteristic elegant appearance. Horses are herbivores that mainly eat fresh grass, hay and some types 5 cups. Thanks to the smart personality, loyalty and good tolerance, horses have become the companions of humans. It has long been used in agriculture, combat and sports traffic. Today, horses also appear a lot in recreational activities and horse racing around the world.
Goat.
Goats are animals of the bovine family. It is smaller than cattle, usually raised for meat. Milk and goat skin with slender body. For small but strong legs, and often have horns on their heads. Goat hair can be shortened or long. With colors like white, black or brown, they're leaf and grass eaters. Well adapted to arid environment. Goat milk with high nutritional value. Easy to digest and popular in everyday life. So we've discovered more together. Interesting things about the dynamic magical plants around us. If you find this video useful and interesting, don't forget to like to share so more people know. And press subscribe to the channel with the bell icon not to miss the next post.